Well, hello and welcome to another day. Crap, wet, windy, cold in the middle of winter here in Melbourne. Today I'm back on the Falcon again and we're going to do part 3. I want to get the wheels off. There's a grinding, not a grinding, a scraping noise for the back. I don't know if it's the brakes, I don't know if it's the diff, I don't know what it is. When I get the front wheels off as well, check what the front end's like, suspension, brakes, everything like that. Also the back leaf springs, see what kind of condition they're in, see if there's any brakes, whether they're needing changed. So anyway, we'll go on with that. So yeah, she's not very nice looking today. If you have a look out here, wet and windy, not very nice at all. But however, that's just one of these things. We'll get on with it and get it all done as normal, and yeah, hopefully we can get the root cause of the noise coming from the back end of this chute. Anyway, she's been sitting for about a week now with nothing done to her, just because of the weather and it being cold, and I've had a million and one other things to do. So I started her up this morning, she ran no bother, so let's get on with it. So I'll just start slackening off some of these wheel nuts. I'll leave a couple on tight and I'll do the other side. Oh, I'm just putting some axle stands under. And I'll set them down on these. There we go. So much better. And there's my phone, fell out my pocket. Yeah, pick that up. Not that I use it much. So there's one standing. Nothing worse. I could do with a big garage or something. Fast forward a bit here. And I'll put the other one the same. A bit there, and then roll it. I've done. I'll just have a wee lie down and watch her go. Perfect. So, get the wheels off time. Plastic cover. I'll probably paint these wheels, redo them, paint them silver, and do the wee covers black, probably. Anyway, I'll put the wheels in the back. I don't know what I'd do without this gun. Saves a multitude of problems. These didn't look too bad, actually. But here's the back disc. There's hardly any wear on that. Even the back pads look good. but there is a noise coming from the back. I don't know if it's the axle, I don't know if it's the prop shaft, I'm just not sure what it is. Could be a bearing, but we'll have a look at that. I'm going to get the front wheels off now, I'll go and get that done. That's the four wheels off. And just looking at the front brakes. These pads are okay in that as well. She's had new front struts. Yep, new front struts. Springs are okay. I'll get a right look at the brake pipes and the hoses, but they look like they've been well looked after. Let's go and have a wee look at the other side. And obviously the brake pads, not too bad. New struts, new springs. These hoses look like almost new. Jesus, everything looks like it's been, even the bushes and that, the roll bar. Jeez, everything looks like it's been sort of renewed at some point. It's just been a well looked after machine. Let's have another wee look at the back, see what she comes at. What I'll do is I'll get my torch. So let's have a look at this under light. So as you can see, there's virtually no wear on these. Brake pads are almost new. All the hoses in here look okay. There's the gas tank. Should be a compliance sticker in there somewhere. Don't know if that'll be it there. It might. I'll need to have a right look. No rust. Wee leak on the diff there. Don't know what that has been. Yeah, just a gasket, but some worries me that it might be the diff that's the problem. So there's another gas tank over there. I don't know if you can see that. One over there and one here. It's like saddle tanks. And the fillers at this side. Just as a filler here, and there's usually a label here. I'll see if I can see it. Now, I've ended up buying something that I needed. I got a wee stool for my mate Fallon for working on the car. And I bought this one. It's like another one, but it folds down to a board. So it can go underneath the car. It's dry in here, but you know that damp weather is that's how you pick up chills and stuff like that. Jesus, I can't get my spot. There we go. So, even followed the rules to a certain extent. So let's see how this works. So you can use it as a board, back and forward, underneath the cart, and then when you want to sit up, where is it? There's a pin here that you pull when a spring. You want to sit up, you put that forward and that back, and there's your seat for sitting on. Is that handy or what? So, let's give it a wee try. Here it is in its seat position. Pull the pin, it collapses like that. Put the head in there, reach under the car. We'll use it and we'll go and have a look and see if we can find the compliance for the gas. So here we go. I was never any good at skateboard, so I don't know if I'll be any good on this. Oh, my head's hanging off anyway. Oh, now that's fancy. You can get a right look under here. Wow, this thing is immaculate. With So I've had a look under it. I can't see anything with a date on it. I reckon it's a 2010, so it would have had to have been inspected in 2020. I says 25, it'll not be due till 30, I don't know. I haven't got a clue about these things. So if you're out there and you know about gas compliance on a Falcon, this isn't converted, this is dedicated gas. If you know about compliance in these things, pop it down below. I haven't got a clue. Anyway, I'm going to go on with this, check this over and see what else I can find. So I'm going to go under and have a look underneath. Now, there's a wee oil drip here. Let's see, this looks like it could be sump. Let's have a look. The engine's dry up above, Mel. No 100%. There's a wee oil drip on the oil filter. Oil around the sump. See, it's dry here. There's oil being accumulated there, but it's dry there. This side, I don't know if it's been dripping down for here. It looks dry on this side. This side's perfectly dry. So we've got oil, which is coming from somewhere. Here's the steering rack. I think I need to get my pressure washer under here and give that a really good clean. Check that. See that tells me that could be leaking here off of that. I mean, when it does leak, see the engine's dry up there. I'll put you up there because you can see it there better than me. Then I can look at the video later. But up here, it seems to be dry. That's had a new starter on it as well. Up here it seems to be dry. Yeah, definitely oil dripping for somewhere. Could be that front seal as well. She has done a lot of keys. But that could be off a sump plug. I think I need to spray it and dry it and wash it. The first thing I'm going to have to do is wash it. Anyway, it's turning into a no bad day. And my wheelie bonnet's fell off under the car. I'll need to retrieve that. Now, worse than getting your hair covered. I'll retrieve that. I'll get the bottom wiped down. Degreaser. Yeah, I'll maybe wait. I'll maybe degrease it and get my pressure washer under it and see if I can take most of that off and then leave it to dry. And then I'll get under it with some degreaser and my cloth and clean it all up. Then I'll run it, find out where the oil's coming from and repair as needed, I think. Just having a look in the engine bay here. It seems to be oil down there. Is that the oil pressure switch leaking? Yes, that seems to be leaking. Looks like the oil pressure switch or something like that's leaking. Can't see it. I've stuck the camera down there, as you'll have seen, to have a look. I'll be able to see it better for myself. Anyway, I think I'll go and spray that with degreaser and then try and wash it out. So I'll be back in a wee bit. I'm going to get this done now. So I have a noise coming from the back diff. Well, I don't know if it's a diff or not. Anyway, what I want to do Let's have a look and see if there's any fluid in it. Right. Plenty, and it looks good. It does look good. Right, happy with that. Well, that was something else, eh? I've started doing work on this Falcon, and I've been in and out, in and out. Look at that. Sky's clear. Amazing. You would think it was a beautiful summer's day and no winter, but look, it has been raining quite bad. So anyway, let's see what I found out. I'll show you. Well, I can't really show you, but the back diff is making a noise. So I think the easiest way is just to get another diff out the wreckers if I can. I don't know how much it'll be, shouldn't be too bad. But I'll see if I can get a diff out the wreckers. So that's that done. So the next thing that was bothering me was down under here, and it was the amount of oil on the bottom of the car. Anyway, what I've done is I've sprayed a couple of cans of degreaser all over the bottom of the engine and up the side where it was coming down, and that is nice and clean